Hey guys, I'm Shubham and welcome back to Building Website Security Analysis series. In our first video, we introduced the series and discussed the exciting journey we are about to embark on. Today, we'll delve into the project structure and creation process for our website security analyzer. But before we dive in, let me quickly share some information about myself and what you can expect from this series. I'm Shubham and I bring years of experience as a bug bounty hunter, security researcher, and ethical hacker. Throughout my career, I have been successfully completed multiple projects in secure for software development using Python, Django, Java, Android, and many. I have also gained expertise in server handling, CI/CD deployment processes, which are vital components of building robust and secure applications. Now, what you can expect in this series? In this series, you can expect a comprehensive exploration of the entire software development lifecycle, obviously using Python and Django. We'll cover various aspects of research while coding. We'll provide a practical way to structure the project and write a secure software. Not only that, we're also going to learn how to do a Docker and how to do CI/CD for this project, and at last, how to deploy the project. So, from starting to end, we're going to learn the complete life cycle of software development. Now, let's talk about the project structure for our website security analyzer. It is essential to have a well-organized and modular structure to ensure scalability and maintainability. So here is a breakdown of key components. So for the sake of the video, I have zoomed in my IDE. So first of all, we are going to have the main directory, which will contain all sub applications. So you can see here account, analyzer, main, output, and all these are the subdirectories of our project. Also, it has some more files. For example, Docker Compose, Docker file, after that manage.py, readme, requirement, start.sh. So I'm going to explain you what those files are when we start going into those files. So for giving a basic information, manage.py is basically for managing the Django application. Docker file has all the commands required to run a Docker. Git ignore is a file contains the name of the file which we are going to ignore while using a Git. Next we have account app. So let me click on it to so that it will show us the files inside the directory. So all the APIs related to authentication functionality, ensuring the secure access to our website security analyzer will be inside these applications. After that, we have a main directory. So basically, in main directory, we have management commands such as initadmin, wait for db, and I'm going to explain you what these commands are and where we are going to use it. In most of the Django applications have static folder and media folder, but as for this project, we are not uploading any files, so I have not created any of these folders. But for most of the Django projects, we have this folder in the same main directory. Now finally we have website security analyzer directory. Inside this directory we have most important files which are basically the settings.py, urls.py, celery.py, SGI, WSGI. These files provide the configuration and entry point for our website security analyzer. Now that we have an overview of the project structure, let's jump into the creation process. In the upcoming videos, we'll provide step-by-step guide setting up initial projects, creating necessary apps, configuring the basic settings, and by the end, we'll have a solid foundation so that we can start developing our website security analysis. Thank you for joining me in this video where we explore the project structure and basic creation process for our website security analyzer. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of upcoming videos. Stay tuned as we continue our journey.